We're back on the Trenton Watch Company watch again, and just got done on the lathe, and let me see if I can focus, but I machined up a new arbor for the pallet fork. That's the one on the left, and turned out great. Hardened it and tempered it to a light blue color, and then polished it up on the lathe, polished the pivots. It screws down through the pallet fork and onto the plate with the pin in it. That is the fork ends that the roller bearing engages with. And I will get to putting this jewel back in, and I will be using this handy dandy tool which I just picked up. I've always wanted. That is a tool for heating and setting the pallet jewels here, and it also has a sister tool. If I can find it on my busy bench, here it is. So this is another tool, and basically this is a tool for setting the angle of pallet jewels and adjusting the faces. So this is another tool I got, which I've wanted as well, because I do a lot of this kind of work with these older pocket watches, and you know, it's important to get everything right and get the angles right, getting your dimensions right when you're machining, and also getting the right threads. These I didn't use, but I will do a short video on threading, some of the threading tools I have. These are pretty cool because you can actually open the tool and clamp it down on the metal you want to thread and leave it loose, so you can actually adjust the diameter of the thread. And then as you thread, you can tighten it and thread some more, and tighten it and thread some more to get to the dimension that you need. Pretty good. I don't really use these because, you know, some of these older tools, they're definitely handmade, and, you know, they're old, they're beaten up, and you just have to be, you know, very good at using them. Anyway, this will get finished tonight. I will try to get it set up in the watch, and I will give you guys a video of the watch assembled and running. As I said in the first video, I am not going to polish and clean all these parts. They are clean, but they will get polished and buffed in a final clean once I know the watch is going to run pretty well. All right, thanks for watching. Good night.